Openi, Kwesi ya no da banki ya. Court ni bu atenwi ya. Sorry, but that's rough. So that President Mahama&Paa. Danasipa. The President Mahama&Paa. I say Togbe afediaso or Danasi. Otimfo or Danasi. Mpenifo kukuda boda omu nyinase na some mpenifo no woda mase no ade ampa no mo ye ma court of appeal deciding in his favor and now court of appeal yes sir decision and a kana na sa contractors na dilo wo mo tua na so omu ba bitua wo mo tua na so omu ba bitua eno so ya semfufura da ho ana tanya na kunya kan Bank of Ghana asamba ko mu gina super DCZ license ni say ese bank ni sika Ghana bank ni sika o ye may be to America ye transfer it to America and yes ask us samba na say samba na emra kwanso ye fadi transfer sika to America na say emra kwanso ye fadi transfer sika and so court of appeal me share danti and once in the judgment to my no I mean na kakra ana pamucho openi Kwesi ya no da banki ya court ni bu atenwi ya sorry but that's rough so that President Mahama&Paa Danasipa the President Mahama&Paa I say Togbe afediaso or Danasi Otimfo or Danasi mpenifo kukuda boda omu nyinase na some mpenifo no woda mase no ade ampa no mo ye ma court of appeal deciding in his favor
I say time I get a license no okomu nyina ho kusu kire ho mo na omo ma na kwan ma ne be ka na sem kire ho mo ti omo tie no kra ni mo do ma si
and omo tie no su ka ho mo ti na court of appeal deciding no tiasi o na wo mo go school kese na na wo
Kwesi we square tie asem metiasie asema to Kwesi ebiu and a court the dear said that man but then nipa almost show support
court
oh they be court na court na 240
na support but ehun faso be say asem court wo say gbako hu na Kwesi
Kwesi say who say na bi asa amre no. Uko to share I can say.
Share no cry.
Uko chechere ni re. Ko tena ni che ko chechere ni re.
O kan e do so.
Maybe on Benny pass, you better was.
Oh, fantastic. Indeed. Yeah. Chichewure no na this decision
I read it.
Oh yeah.
I read it time.
Mom for
we don't choose a level.
Chichewure na fe de mu mamika. Yes, I don't know, my dream I mean say o. Na to be afe de aso. Na osubu ano. Enti no da na se no. Otie no ma ni Kwesi sen.
Yeah man. Kwesi say ebi ana futu okra na ma ni nya nkra je bi de call out of appeal and wa body bi mu.
Oh, salad here.
Ebia.
Ebi ko boni bi sen.
Oh, okay. Hey, and then we you the power, then the family no say na mo ma be
Abusa video na makohwa aba. Ha na me won nsem bebree ka. Se Ghana ni ba. Me Mr. President MT idea. Ke yira pa kwasi oyen papa sabi kamani beje ho pa o. But asem no ba bia da na se amfa to wa. E be free ato. Yira pa kwasi ndum nkomo ya yedi ho asem nyina no. Akwese Hey, akwese kwasi amakwa twene no. Ubom a waje ewu, wambom so a wo na ewu. Nti wo ka na wo hu se de wo kan. You will come court and circuit court judge ni casting judge ni say ni kwan say aban that the NPP aban ni kwase collapse bank me part of point of correct yan collapse bank ye merge all the banks and all more running at higher losses in ye merge o me say the be ya o sika na enhye you know the interest of politics enti inkofo bi ye jandam se shame fi ni amani the NPP man be say ye collapse bank o ba bia that is a truth and a reality is stating emphatically. Yan collapse banko baby. Now, ye ba wasem bika. Na judge na say circuit court admit the reality say ye rapa Kwasi Ndum the bank AGM bank no more the contractors bika. And asa na bind do moka. Now, say ye come ni go through the whole process. You realize say GM bank account ko boy 680 million Ghana cedis account ko boy no. Ni ebusa so a bank can no de GM bank na ye kabo nyina bo ma na lose 680 million Ghana cedis ana. Tabi. Etian fa na sa ban na o de contractors ka e ma ye GM bank pa Kwasi Ndum ne GM bank e ko bo contractors ne besia no. Me pa cho says can compose a bank tria de ma bank no a will it compensate for the loss of 680 million Ghana cedis no. No. It on what basis and on what grounds? And I hear a Kwasi Ndum the bank any GM bank and any circuit court nyina ejina e de omo license ni ma omo back. It doesn't any grounds any basis bia. The bia me say ye chire manyaku ye chire oman and your personal interest and ye ho adwuma. Se se ya no bia be dia eni ye nwie no na se oman ye hu ye left from your right o. Because mansa musa wote makola oye okodwom de bia no was 75,000 Ghana cedis or GM bank and some bank no ye mejama omoka se bank na gu ye mfa ne sa ti see na ye de omo license am omo back no me pacho man samu se betima fa na bank card akwako unisika na iti se won't okona se won't unisika dia and the bank license na ye de ma omo back no me pacho Bank of Ghana and on what basis na ye de license am omo back ye nti ase for you to re-give out the license, so bit my adwuma. Yet they don't have any penny in their account to show say what they would seek how bit my be usika. And they are more na so far so pan say. Asema e twetwe aso. Asema say odwen ho a ntiase ni. No we na obobom panifo bi din da ase. Wa bodin da ase afido da so say ye nda ye rajon do mani Mahama. Since pacho bi say ye rajon do mani Mahama o ye jaja na. Oh etoda in same be say it raises a lot of questions. It raises a lot of questions. Say heka GM bank abo. Ne he omo so GM bank ka and a GM bank edo in quote. Na say even government here so obi compensate for that a Mahama&Paa still now ogusu run at a loss. Na me pacho ye dey license am omo no. Omo capacity no betimi run the bank ni bi wana. Yes or no? We need answers to these questions. It shouldn't always be about the name. No. It should be about the interest of the country, the interest of the people. This is what we want to establish as a fact. But how can you see then why target near attack here and there, near body, near throw stones at you. But it's and you say there was a church of mine. And you say and there was a church of mine. The NPP I mean you could hear now they bought GM bank money also. Now let's see how they're going to run the bank. Because a major bank in your boom, you increase over capital and she said there will be able to run it at their own interest. I'm also one penny, sir. I'm also run it individually. Now let's see how they are going to run it. I know that you Kwesi Pratt on one power NDC, it must say no tones there be a day way there. It calls for alarm. And of course, that's the reality. It calls for alarm. Oh, I'm a Ghana.
GN group in GM me fancy a group into banking. Yenya them say sa enya enokwane Bank of Ghana a GM license. There's 4 or 5 banks. By 2019 or baby. Na yenya ya jitum say sa banksi na adwuma no ayadin amawo yenya wo mamu ha wo kokwa kojusika yemfa usika no mawo da mebwa mo station ya nipa no frɛ mo esum say me koji 1000 cedis e wo GN bank e wo Unity bank yenya hu line na e wo ho amanfo no musika. In fact, even before 2019, some banks see a problems. A chassis bear 2015, 2016. Mabekaya. Na minuel and belle can say, and I say, company banks no more call and we hear more. Nessa bank to me so massing. Now, 2015, 2016. So, okay, sika. A buying the shares our banks in. So okay. Millions and millions and millions of taxpayers sicker. The shares our banks in. Now say oba kun bi ana or court. Ono ane num scanner the ma or the ma kwan the faso. Maybe a scan san fire. Brief your opinion. It's a capital bank said millions of Ghana for sicker. Millions, I mean, I said, man, figures of marriage figures now, masses here. Any of the man banks still almost she's come. Nti, no be a in fan shady trims and a buy no Bank of Ghana could go to banks. Records no trace said there had been serious effort by government to save them. I know so angry. Me ya se me put figures to say, but me hwe nam dia ma. Inti ye nya yi nim say these banks ya wo bank ho o men di so. Ema omunya akoko share trouble. Questions. In some bia Bank of Ghana gina so e di a year license. This license no. Se o tia asefem. Enti me my dream no is in the interest of yenya. The interest of yenya say Sunset seminar gina so a the geom license no Sunset seminar yetimi a church for the bank's for the bank's own integrity. Open your can say.
No credit any GD
GD because your mouth licenses say ya resolve Sanya Mania Bank of Ghana raise EDJ license, and that's an amendment that's all. It will be a problem. baako a me ne ha me